rolls are always a crowd favorite, crispy, cheesy, or refreshing. Today we're making 3 delicious roll varieties: Chicken Shahi Roll, Paneer Cigar Roll, and a light and fresh Vietnamese Spring Roll. Let's get rolling. We'll first start with Chicken Shahi Roll. For this, in a bowl, add small pieces of boneless chicken. To this, mix in ginger garlic paste, chopped green chilies, chili powder, salt, mix herbs and a little melted butter. Now blend it all into a smooth paste. Now take a small lemon-sized portion, roll it into a ball and place it over butter paper. Now fold the butter paper from one side and gently press it flat into a small roti. Now place a cheese slice in the center and roll it up like a cigar, sealing the edges firmly. Now dip it into beaten egg, coat with breadcrumbs and repeat for a thicker, crisp layer. Now deep fry till golden, crunchy and absolutely crispy from all sides. Your rich and creamy chicken shahi rolls are ready. Best served hot with ketchup or mint chutney. This one's for the vegetarians. Paneer Cigar Roll. For this, in another bowl, mix crumbled paneer with chopped onions, capsicum and a pinch of red chili, mix herbs, salt and just a touch of sugar. Now take bread slices and trim off the edges. Flatten them with a rolling pin. Now add the paneer filling, roll it tightly and seal the edges with corn slurry. Now shallow fry until golden and crunchy. These make the perfect vegetarian party snack, crisp outside and flavor-packed inside. Now this one's for those who prefer something healthy. Vietnamese Spring Roll. Now heat a pan with a little oil, add chicken pieces with garlic powder, salt, soy sauce and red chili flakes. Now cook until beautifully seared and set aside. Now slice up fresh veggies like carrots, cucumbers and bell peppers. Now dip a rice paper wrapper briefly in warm water, just enough to soften it. Don't oversoak it. Now lay it down and add lettuce, then chicken and veggies and start rolling gently while tucking the sides in to form a neat wrap. Now serve immediately with soy dip or cover and refrigerate for later. Light, fresh and guilt-free. 3 rolls, 3 textures, golden and indulgent, crispy and cheesy, and cool and refreshing. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.